Hello, dear students. Welcome to your English lesson. Today's lesson is for grade 7 and the topic is waste disposal, part 1, which logically means that there will also be part 2 in the next lesson. I'm Ksenia Rumora, your English teacher today. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to read a text about different types of waste, search for the asked information, and finally to create a digital mind map to show how you and your family dispose home waste. For today's lesson, you'll need notebook, pencil, a device with internet connection. So, I hope that you have everything needed and that you are ready. In today's lesson, we shall do different things, so we'll start with some brainstorming, then we shall discuss types of waste, the colors of the bins, we shall decide between recyclable and non-recyclable waste, definitely talk about 5 R's of waste management, then you will create the digital mind map, you will also play some game, and at the end of today's lesson, you'll do the checklist. So let's start with some brainstorming. Please observe the picture and brainstorm the words you associate with this photo. You have the beginning letters and the final letter in each word. I hope that you will find this brainstorming easy and that you will come up with rubbish, trash, garbage, waste, and dump. There are 5 types of waste. Do you know which? Here you have some hints, synonyms to help you. So, for the first one you have firm, for the second type of waste you have watery or fluid, for the third type substantial, for the fourth reusable, and for the fifth threatening, jeopardizing or dangerous. So, here are the words. Firm means the same as solid. The second type of waste is liquid waste. The third type, organic. The fourth, recyclable. And the fifth, hazardous. So now when you know all 5 types of waste, let's talk in some more detail about them. Solid rubbish would be paper waste or card waste. Also tin and metals, and glass and ceramics. Liquid waste, which you can find in households and industry, would be dirty water, wash water, and even rainwater. Organic waste would be all food waste, garden waste, and manure. Recyclable rubbish, which means waste items that can be converted into products that can be used again, would contain solid items as paper, metal, and furniture, and organic waste. Hazardous waste is flammable, toxic, corrosive, and reactive rubbish. It can harm you and the environment as well. In this activity, based on the picture, write down in your notebook 6 major types of recyclable waste. Please observe the picture very carefully and write down in your notebook. Now, when you have them in your notebooks, please read a part of the text, 5 major types of recyclable waste, and find 2 waste items for each category in the table, which means 2 waste items for kitchen waste, 2 for paper, 2 for plastic, 2 for glass, 2 for metal, and 2 for other waste. For this activity, you will need to copy the link bit.ly/waste5 into the browser. What can you see here? Actually, you can see the bins, waste bins. They are all of the same size, but they are of different colors. What about them? What do the bin colors stand for? The pairs are mixed up. Your task is to match the color from the left side with the item on the right side. Please do it in your notebooks. Here are your answers. I hope that your answers are all correct. So, brown bin is for kitchen waste, blue bin for paper, orange or yellow bin for plastic, green bin for glass, brown or grey bin for metal, and dark red for other waste. I have put down brown or grey because the colors are different in different countries. For example, in Croatia, we have grey bins for disposing metal, and in other European countries they have brown bins for that. I would like you now to copy the link bit.ly/waste6 into your browser and look at the list of non-recyclable waste items. The list is not short, but it is not going to be too long for you, you will see. Your task is to write down 6 items that you and your family regularly use and dispose. Possible items in your answers are garbage, food waste, polystyrene, styrofoam, plastic wrap, foam egg cartons, food tainted, which means contaminated or polluted items as used paper plates or used boxes, paper towels and paper napkins. You can see 5 R's on the screen. What are the 5 R's of waste management? I am sure you will know them all. Please write them down. And let's check together. They are reduce, refuse, reuse, recover, and recycle. And now, something completely different. Let's play a game. Please copy the link bit.ly/waste7 in your browser and enjoy the game. What about you? How do you dispose your home waste? Which bin do you put different waste items into? Name the waste items and categorize them. To do that, to show your answers, use the digital mind map. Use Google, the tool, to do it. In the left up corner, you can see the link. Please copy it into browser and try to be very creative. I am 100% sure that you are going to be much more creative than I was while creating this one. So, we have come almost to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I certainly do hope that you have learned to name different types of waste, to name recyclable waste, and bin colors, as well as the waste you dispose in them. And that's the end of today's lesson. Until we meet again, stay safe and sound, and bye-bye.